All right. This question falls under current electricity. Current electricity. Now the subtopic is shunt. Shunt. This is a physics question. Okay, a physics question. So let's look at the question. Let's look at the question. All right. I will be reading. A galvanometer G has a resistance of 5.0 ohms and gives a full-scale deflection when a current of 0.05 ampere is passed through it. Draw a diagram to show how a resistor R may be connected with G, which is the galvanometer, to convert it into an ammeter reading up to 5.0 ampere. Again, you are asked to calculate R. All right. First of all, shunt is a low resistance. Shunt is a low resistance. So whenever you see shunt, you know that is resistance. But we are asked to draw a diagram. So I will be drawing the diagram now. Solution. First of all, the diagram for shunt is drawn this way. First thing is it is drawn this way. Okay. Okay. This is the direction of current. The direction of current. When the current comes here, some of the current will go here. Some of the current will go here, will move here, while some will come here. So in this case, the galvanometer is connected in parallel with the resistance, which is the shunt. I can choose to use S to represent my shunt, but since they are saying calculate R, so I can use R. Okay, I can use R. Now, okay, I can use R. Okay, I can use R. So the next thing now, let's read the question again. We are asked to interpret. We are asked to draw a diagram to show how a resistor may be connected with G. This is resistor connected with G. That's done. This resistor connected with the G. You have gotten your first solution. But let's interpret. See, a galvanometer G has a resistance of 5.0 ampere. So that this is my galvanometer. So it has a resistance of 5. So the resistance now equal to 5.0 ohms and gives a full-scale deflection when a current of 0.05 ampere is passed through it. So that means the current that passed through this galvanometer is 0.05 ampere. Okay, you can choose to draw to write it here anyhow. Okay, now another thing is draw a diagram. We have drawn the diagram to show this. We have drawn and we have shown everything. Okay, the next thing is we are asked to may be connected with G to convert it into an ammeter reading up to 5.0 ampere. Okay, up to 5.0 ampere. You have been given the current, and this particular current that you have been given here is the current of the ammeter. The current of the ammeter. Okay, the current of the ammeter. That means it is the total current in this circuit. It is the total current in this circuit. So it is that current of the ammeter is located here, 5.0 ampere. 5.0 ampere. So after this, another way of interpreting this question is, a calculator has a resistance of 5.0 ohms. That means resistance of the ammeter resistance of the ammeter is equal to 5.0 ohms. You come here, you have been given, or let me come here, give a full scale deflection when a current of 0.5, that means you have been given the current of the galvanometer as given here, 0.05 ampere. Draw block, okay, maybe okay. And you have been given the ammeter reading. Ammeter reading is 5. Ammeter reading is, that's current, right? That's current. So it is current of the ammeter. A stands for ammeter, G stands for current. Sorry, I stand for current. So current of the ammeter is equal to, you have been given it to be 5.0 ampere. Your R is what they are looking for. You can call it SHUNT, the same thing like calling it R, equal to, that's what they are looking for. Calculate R. Calculate R. Okay. So using the formula, the formula is R, which is the same thing like shunt, equal to RG divided by IA minus IG. This is the formula to solve shunt. Now, following this, what is my IG? My IG is 0.05. 0.05 times, what is my RG? My RG is 5 times 5, all divided by, what is my IA? My IA is 5. So I have my 5 times, okay, 5 minus, what is my IG? My IG is 0.05. So, do you see it? If you multiply 0.05 times 5, it will give you 0.25 divided by, if you subtract 0.05 from 5, it will give you 4.95. Now, if you use your calculator and divide 0.25 by 4.95, it will give you 0.05. Remember, I told you that shunt or R is a resistance and it is measured in what? Ohms. This is what they are looking for, or they were looking for. So it is very simple. It's very simple. All I want you to do for me right now is subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. You've seen how to draw the diagram for shunt or of shunt, right? And how to do the solution, the solving. You've seen the formula. Once you know this formula, You substitute these values into it. You have your answer. Thank you.